DIN rails work with a system of matching components to mount terminal blocks, relays, and other devices onto flat surfaces. DIN 3, also known as top hat, is the most common type of rail. DIN 2 is also known as mini rail. DIN 1 is also known as G-section rail. Quickly identify compatible components for your DIN rail using the trade size number. DIN 3 rails come in 3 different depths. The deeper the rail, the stiffer it is. Choose deeper rails for holding heavy equipment. While pre-punched is standard, you can choose a drill-your-own rail option if looking to punch your own holes. DIN rails with an attached bracket give you extra space between the rail and the mounting surface. Choose an angled bracket to install equipment with a tilt, making labels and displays easier to view. Adhesive back rails stay in place wherever you stick them. Magnetic back rails can be repositioned on steel surfaces. We offer several compatible parts for mounting and organizing equipment on your rail. Choose mounting brackets to add space to a non-bracketed rail. Brackets with multiple DIN rail mounting holes hold several DIN rails on one set of brackets. Use mounting adapters to mount items that are not made to fit on a DIN rail. Panel clip adapters have several mounting holes in a grid pattern. Spring clip adapters are load-rated for heavy equipment. Rail stops keep your components from sliding along your DIN rail. Screw-on stops, available in metal and plastic, are the most secure. Snap-on stops quickly click into place and don't require a screwdriver. Build your own custom configuration with a combination of rail stops and spacers. Add spacers in between components to keep them organized, to let air flow through, or to make room for wiring. They slide along the rail so you can line up your devices. To keep your assembly from shifting over time, add rail stops to both ends. Snap group markers onto the rail stops to help identify your equipment. Use these adapters to mount your development board perpendicularly on a DIN rail. They mount to the back of the board only, so airflow can keep the front cool. They come with screws and standoffs for mounting your board to the adapter. They also come with cable ties to secure the cords. Clip hook and loop straps or cable holders onto your DIN rail to organize wire, cable, and hose. C-shaped clips are designed for frequent setup changes. It's easy to add or remove cables through their opening. Interlocking clips hold cables more securely than C-shaped clips and can be faced up or down on the rail. DIN rail cutters make straight, smooth cuts in aluminum or steel rails. Slide the stop along the ruler to set the length, then clamp it in place. Insert your rail into the proper slot based on the DIN rail size being cut, feeding it through until it meets the stop. Pull the lever to make smooth cuts in steel and aluminum DIN rails without leaving a burr. Cutters with a hole punch are used to add slots anywhere along a rail. Insert the rail through the proper opening to your desired distance. Then, pull the lever for a clean punch.